Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is BMP180 Barometric Pressure, Temperature, Altitude Sensor. Interface with Arduino plus LCD display. So in this project we are using Arduino Uno R3 BMP180 Pressure, Temperature, Altitude Sensor, and it is I2C based sensor. So we are connected to A5 and A4 and A5 of SCL and SDA pin, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, and it is connected with RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7. RS it is connected with 8, enable it is connected with 9, D4 10, D5 11, D6 12, D7 13 pin. So Arduino Uno R3 BMP180 and 5 volts power supply module. Let us coming into the hardware module. So here we are using BMP180 module. V in you can give 3.3 volts, ground, SCL, SDA. So this is barometric pressure, temperature, altitude sensor. So we are connected with Arduino Uno R3 of A4 and A5. So here bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and it is connected with the R8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pin. So here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of backside soldering, and VCC and ground. So 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on that should be displayed on the LCD, and it is connected with the 3.3 volts and ground, SCL and SDA pins. Arduino Uno R3. So you can give 3.3 volts or 5 volts. Here we are given 3.3 volts only. Ground to ground, SCL it is connected with the A5, SDA it is connected with the A4. And our programming part 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7. BMP 180 pressure and temperature sensor module. And we are displaying the data onto the hyper terminal and as well as on LCD display. So here I am connecting. So serial communication on USB hyper terminal. I am showing the data. Reset. Temperature, pressure. So temperature is 33.02. 34. Pressure is 943. Okay. 34. And we can see the data onto the hyper terminal also. So providing temperature is 33, absolute pressure, relative, altitude. We can see all the data onto the hyper terminal. And here also you can give dipstick also. So if you are giving the external temperature to that, and it will increases. So I am providing external temperature 47, 42, 45, 62, pressure for 943, and temperature is 40. So Arduino Uno R3, SCL, SDA, 5 volts and ground, or you can give 3.3 volts ground, 16x2 LCD display, and here we are displaying temperature and pressure. And thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.